Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to print sublimation. First, open Canva and select a custom size for your design, matching your sublimation blank. Ensure your canvas dimensions are accurate for a perfect fit. Next, upload your high-resolution images and graphics. Remember, quality input leads to quality output. We will then arrange your elements, paying close attention to color profiles for vibrant results. Finally, we will prepare your design for printing, ensuring all settings are correct. When starting your sublimation project in Canva, precise sizing is crucial. Begin by selecting custom size and inputting the exact dimensions of your sublimation blank. For optimal print quality, set your design resolution to 300 dpi. This ensures crisp, clear images. Also, consider adding a bleed area of about 1/8 of an inch around your design. This extra margin helps prevent white edges if your print shifts slightly during transfer, giving you a professional finish. For sublimation, color accuracy is paramount. Canva primarily uses an RGB color profile, which is ideal for achieving vibrant, true-to-life colors in your sublimation prints. Always upload high-resolution images, ideally 300 dpi or higher, to avoid pixelation. Before finalizing, remember to mirror or flip your entire design horizontally. This critical step ensures your image transfers correctly onto your blank, appearing as intended after the heat press process. Once your design is complete and mirrored, it's time to export. Download your Canva design as a PNG file for the highest quality and to preserve any transparency. If your design requires a transparent background, ensure that option is selected before downloading. Finally, print your design using a dedicated sublimation printer loaded with sublimation ink and sublimation paper. This specialized setup is essential for a successful and vibrant transfer onto your chosen blank.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.